So guys, we will create a live streaming app just with 10 lines of code. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Rajjan Sharma, and in this video guys I will show you that how can we create a live streaming app using ZEGOCLOUD SDK. Okay guys, so what you have to do, you have to simply follow the steps that I'm showing you in this tutorial. See guys, the best part is you don't have to create everything from the scratch, okay, because ZEGOCLOUD provides us UI kits, okay. Already they have APIs that we can use, they have UI kits, they have all the libraries that you need to install, and then the benefit of that is you don't have to write everything, all 1,000 lines of code for a video calling app, for a chatting app, or you don't have to build all the logic. You just simply have to integrate the SDK in your application, and then you will be able to use it. The best part is, ZegoCloud is so good that it have 30 billion plus users annually, okay, and 3 billion call minutes every day. Yes guys, it have 3 billion plus call minutes every day. So that's why I'm telling you that we will use this ZegoCloud SDK in this tutorial. So you will be able to create a live streaming app, and there are so many features, okay. Once you will visit the website of ZegoCloud.com, I will provide the link in the description, and you can see all the services: in-app chatting, voice call, video call, one-on-one call, in-app messaging. There are so many features, AI avatar, cloud recording, AI 3D avatar. So there are so many features that you can use. And the best part is, because now whenever we try to create applications, so we focus on giving all the modern features which is required, okay, and the features that users like these days, okay. So ZegoCloud provides us everything that you need to create a complete application. It will be best. So that's why guys, in this tutorial we will be focusing on live streaming SDK, and if you guys want me to create a complete application with the using ZegoCloud streaming SDK, so you can let me know in the comment section. But in this video, first of all, let's see how it's done. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So guys, first of all, everything starts with the account, okay, of ZegoCloud. So first of all, you have to create a one, okay, and that process is simply very simple. All you have to do is simply search for ZegoCloud pricing, or you can also open the ZegoCloud website, official website, and then you can simply click on this start for free. So first of all, you have to do this formality, create the account, okay, and then you will be able to start your free trial. Okay guys, so now you can see that I already have this admin console, okay, because I already have created the account. So now all I have to do guys is I simply need to open my application. So I will show you the project that I have created, okay. So here uh, this Zego Live, you can see this is the app Zego Live, and that is created by me, okay, it's my app. So now this is how the interface will look when you will create application, and the process of creating a project is pretty simple. Okay guys, so for creating a project, all you have to do, you can simply click on this create button, and then you have to select the Android and the platform for which you are going to create this project, and then you can simply create it, okay. And then after that I will simply proceed with that, because I have already created a project. So you can see that we have this Zego Live, and here we have some important things that we will need in order to do the live streaming. So guys, you have to simply you will need this app ID and this app sign. These two things are very important for the, you can say, for live streaming, okay. And then after that, when you will have this admin console and you will successfully create the account, then you can simply open the quick start, okay, documentation of Zego Cloud. Here you can see, I will give the link in description also, okay guys. So don't worry about it, and I will also, okay guys, and I will also provide you this here on GitHub, okay. So you can see this live streaming repository, okay. So you will be able to get the codes from here, and it will be free of cost. You don't have to join the membership because it's a paid video, so that's why. So guys, first of all, what exactly here you have to do is you can simply search for live streaming, okay, quick start Zego Cloud, or you can simply click on this link that I will provide you in the description. And then guys, here you can see all the codes and instructions that you need to follow in order to create a successful live streaming application. So guys, this is an official documentation for the complete working app. You can simply click on this, okay. So first of all, what you have to do is guys, we will simply create a project, very basic project, okay. So let's start with the very important thing. First of all, you need to add this dependency, as you can see it here, okay. This is the only dependency that you need to add, okay. Do not go for this express video and anything like that, okay. You only need to add this dependency, and then you can simply add this compile options, okay, Java version 1.8 1.8, and then make sure this compile version should be 32 and this target should be 32, okay guys. And then you can also you have to add this. So you can see that now my class path Android version is 7.0.0. So you also need to make sure that you have this version, otherwise you may face any problem. Okay guys, and the last precaution that you need to take is you have to open the project structure. And guys, make sure your Android Studio version is the latest version. Okay, it should be updated 2222. I think this is my version. It is updated. Okay, so make sure that your Gradle version is 7.0.0 and your Gradle version is 7.5-RC-1. Okay, you have to follow the same, and you have to make sure that you have same settings as I am having, and then you will be able to create this live SDK. So these are the some, you can say, important steps that you need to follow in order to create a live streaming application, okay, using ZegoCloud. Okay, so make sure you have 7.0.0 and 7.5 greater version. And now you also need to add this Maven URL, okay, that you will also see here when you will open. So you can see Maven URL Jetpack. Okay, but no problem. If you will simply go for this, GitHub. So here you will get all the codes. I will provide the link in description. Don't worry. So now just watch the steps that you need to follow. So first of all, guys, you just simply need to create a very basic activity. Okay, nothing is very complicated. All you need to do is simply three edit text you can see, and two buttons. One for creating a live video, and second button is for joining as a audience. For example, okay, and then this is a live second activity that you have to create. Its name is activity live. Okay guys, and here what you need to do is I will show you the codes. It's just a very basic activity. All you need to do is simply give a constant layout, okay, widget, and you have to give the id fragment hashtag underscore container. Fine guys, then you simply need to open this main activity, and now here you can see the Java codes. You can simply get all the codes on GitHub account, don't worry, and you can also get the codes here on this of quick start. But guys, in this quick start only basic code is available. Okay, so if you want, so you can also build the app, okay, using this documentation, or if you want, so you can simply check my GitHub, okay, and you will get all the codes, because it will be easy for you. You don't have to worry about the version and all, because I'm telling you everything step by step, so you will have an easy understanding how you can integrate it and what precautions you need to take. Okay guys, now you can see all the code is same. Okay, I just have done some you can say little changes, which will be better if you will go. Okay, so first of all guys, here you can see the main activity. We simply have three input layout, okay, room id, and basically it is a user id, but we will use it as a room id. But okay, so if you want, so you can also change it as a room id. I mean, you can keep it in mind that it should be unique. Okay, two users cannot have same room id because it's the user id. That is for username, and this is for live name. So you need to take three these data. Okay, so here we are giving the reference, and then guys, here first of all we will simply perform this code, okay, for set on click listener. Okay guys, and then we are doing a little validation that live name edit text we have should not be empty when we click on the button. Okay, so it's a very basic validation. You can simply write down the codes, or you can copy the codes from GitHub account. It's pretty simple. And then guys, when you will click on the button start live, so we will pass four data from here. How many? First one is host. Okay, so it means that we are the host, we are creating this live. And second option is username, then user id or room id, you can say whatever, but make sure this live id, for example, okay, this live id should be unique and this room id should be unique. But if you want to join a live of another user, so you have to give the same live id, okay, then you will be able to join. And you have to give the different room id, then you will be able to join, because room id is user id. You can simply understand with that. Okay, because we have done work with Firebase, and now you understand that room id, I mean user id, is a different key. Okay, so we will pass these four data: host, username, room id, live id. Fine, in the activity live activity. And the second option is watch live. It means that we will see the live as audience, not as a host. So we are simply passing the value false here. Okay, otherwise rest of the data is same. Then guys, you can see that we have this live activity here. First of all, you have to create a boolean that you can see private boolean is host. Fine, and first of all, here we are taking the value of host. Okay, by default it is false. Okay, and then guys, here you can see that we are taking rest of the three data also: username, user id, and live id. Fine guys, and then here you can see that I have created this code add fragment. You will also able to see the code here. You can see add fragment, everything is same. Okay, everything is same. You can see the live id, user id, app user id. Okay, so actually you can see that here I already given the app id. Okay, and this app sign uh, id. Okay, both the information is already added, and you can see the rest of the three information, which is live id, user id. Here you can see that I have mentioned it as a user id, so it should be different. Okay, every user needs a different user id. Okay, and then username, very simple. And then you can see all the code. Okay, the Zego Cloud, Zego UI kit pre-built live streaming, and you will also get this code here. See, everything is same. Okay, nothing is different, everything is same. I have just done some can say small changes for making the experience better. Okay, that's all. And then guys, you can simply do this code. Okay, and that's all. Now you can run the application. Okay guys, and then you can simply create a live video, or you can you will be also able to join any live video which is created by any other user. So there are so many things that you can do. Okay guys, and if you will just think a little bit more, and you will develop a better logic, so you will be able to create a complete application just like Instagram, and you can add the feature of going live. Okay, and if you want me to do that, you can let me know in comment section. I will create a complete project that is just a quick start and a fully understanding tutorial, so you will have an idea that how exactly you can. Now I will show you the output in just a minute. Okay, so guys, as you can see that we already have the applications. Okay, and now one device is virtual and another one is physical. Okay, so first of all I will give the live name in my mobile, and room ID is basically the user ID, so make sure it should be different, and live name should be same. And in the username column I will enter my name. Okay, just first name. And in this emulator I will enter live name simply ABC. Okay guys, and in this user ID I will give the enter unique key, so it should be 1234. Okay, make sure physical device is 123 and virtual is 1234. Now it's time for username, so I will simply enter username Rahul. And guys, make sure that on my physical device I will click on the button start a live. Okay, so now you can see that it is working pretty good. Okay, and now you can see me. And guys, in the emulator I will click on the button watch a live, and let's see the output. And guys, as you can see that it is asking for permissions, you just simply need to allow it. Okay, and now guys, you can see the output that here, and you can see it there. Okay, so in my mobile device I am the host. Okay, and in this emulator I'm working as a audience. That's why you're not able to see this camera options. Okay, so if you want, so I can turn off the camera, and I can also turn, yeah, here you can see this is how it is possible. Okay guys, so and also you can do the chat, like you can say hi, and you can see the message here. Okay, so now you can see that this live streaming SDK is working absolutely fine, and you can also see the output. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And guys, if you want any kind of source code, okay, or or if you want this project, the zip files, you can simply let me know in comment section. I will provide you. Okay, and you will get all the codes on our GitHub account and also on the documentation of ZegoCloud. It is very simple to follow. Okay guys,